Hi, my name is Christine Solwish. I'd like to tell you about how Immunical has changed my life. I have chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia, and I was to the point where I was bedridden most of the time, and many functions of my life were lost. I wasn't going out of the house very often, which meant I couldn't really participate in anything my children were doing school-wise, in my religion, any vacations, things of that nature. The family just had to go on without me, and they did since 1998. And in 2003, I was introduced to Immunical, and I had hope for the first time in a long time because I had tried over 21 different medications. I'd been sent to many doctors, antidepressants, pain medications, sleep meds, and different side effects from each one. So you can imagine what that was like. They, just by themselves, those things can make you sick. So on top of being sick already, you have to deal with that. So when I tried Immunical, I wanted to go full force with it because I wanted help. I tried 4 a day. For the first day that I tried Immunical, I actually got up that day and made dinner. My husband was shocked because I hadn't done that for a long time. When I made dinner, I would sit on a stool and get up and do a little bit, then sit down again. Just like that. Everything that I did was hanging onto walls to get to the living room, sitting down exhausted, trying to recoup just from that. And so when he saw me up baking cookies for dessert and a dinner that night, well, he knew that I was onto something, and he was very excited. My family was happy. I had hope for the first time in a long time, and from that time on, I've never stopped taking Immunical. And I've gotten more and more of my health as I've been on it longer. Things I've been dealing with for years, sinus problems and allergies and circulation problems, all those have been resolving. And of course I use all the other products because then you find out that you can get help with other things as well. So you try all of them, and I'll never stop taking them. That's my story.
My chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia was pretty extensive. Severe pain. If anyone has not been through this, it's hard to describe it. I was in such rough shape that I couldn't get in and out of a car. I'd get out of bed and fall over, and I'll be honest, I never always made it to the bathroom on time. I was so immobile, and it was getting worse, and I was really concerned that when is this going to end, if it ever would. And on the strength of that, I straight away went ahead and took 4 packets of this product straight away. Within a week, that pain had disappeared, and within a month and a half, 2 months, the energy came back to a noticeable degree. And in 8 months' time, I would say I've completely healed up. Having suffered so badly, I feel incredible now.